Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you all? How are you? I hope you all are feeling good. You all are energetic. Your tummies are full. Your minds are fresh. None of you is feeling sleepy or tired. Yes? Now, which day is today? Today is the fourth day of week 19th. We are on the last learning day, that is the fourth day, because tomorrow, as you all know, you have a class test, you have an assessment day. Every week on Friday, the last working day, you people have your test in which you will revise whatever we have done throughout this week. I hope you all are revising whatever we are doing every day. I hope you all are learning everything. Yes or no? That's great. You should learn. You should keep on revising whatever we do every day. After doing your homework, after completing your task, you should revise that thing so that it is clear in your mind. And if there is some confusion that you don't understand, you should always ask me in my next class because I'm there to explain you. Isn't it so, class? Yes? So are you all ready to study? Great. Now tell me, what was the topic that we did yesterday in the class? Was it related to grammar or comprehension? It was grammar part, correct. And what was it actually? Yes, very good, Saad. It was compound words. We did compound words, right? And can you just quickly recall what are compound words? When you join two words to make a new word, it becomes a compound word like your classroom, classroom, right? Correct. Very good. That means compound word is clear to you all. You must have revised it also. That is why you knew what are the compound words, right? Now coming back to today's topic, we are going to learn again. It's related to some grammar part in which you are going to learn the sound of those words, right? Now I'm going to show you a few pictures. Now, which animal is this, class? It's a dog. It's a doggy. Do you like dogs? Yes? No? You don't like? You're afraid of? Even I am afraid of dogs. Right. So this is a dog. All right. So I'll write the name dog on the board. But before writing, tell me, what's the sound of the dog? What does dog do? What is the sound that it makes? It barks, right? So the dog barks. So I'm going to write down bark here. B-A-R-K. Bark, right? The sound of the dog is bark. Correct. Now what is this which I'm holding in my hand? It's a car. What's this? It's a car. What's the color of the car? It's rough red color. Correct. Okay, my next picture was a picture of a car. Alright. Now what is this that I'm holding in my hand? It's a star. Do you like stars? Yes? You like stars? Where can you find stars? Yes. Do you find stars you can find stars in the sky, but do you find them in daytime? No, because you can always see stars at night time. Correct. Star. Now, my three words are bark, car, and star. Now, what is there which is common in all these three words? What is there that you can see in all of these three words that I have written on the board? They all have AR. Wow. AR, bark, CAR, car, STAR, star. Now, can you say the sound of AR words? R. R. What's the sound? R. Like in bark, B-A-R-K, bark. Right? It's like bark. G, gar. Then star. Star. So the sound of AR is R. R. So this is what is our topic for today. We are learning about the AR words. What are the words in which we can find AR sound? Like you have seen in the word, in these words, bark, in the word car, in the word star. So they all have the AR sound, right? Now let's make few sentence with these three words. I'll write them on my whiteboard over here in my, so that it's clear to you all. The first word of ours is what? The first word is a bark. I don't like the dog, the sound, the bark. I don't like the bark of the dog. I don't like the bark of the dog. When it barks, I don't like that. Clear? Car. Okay. This car is of red color. Correct? Now the next one is star. I like to count the stars at night. Okay, so these are three sentences which we have made. First one is of bark, that I don't like the bark. I don't like bark of the dog. The car. This car is of red color. Star, I like to count the stars at night. So what was all these, children? They were all the AR words, the R sound words, right? Now, what we are going to do, I have few more words which I'm going to explain you about the sound, and they are, what is this? It's written dark. How will you pronounce dark? Say with me, dark. Now see, D-A-R-K, dark. The sound of AR will be R, dark, right? You understood? So this is one word with AR sound. Okay, now let's move on to another word. All right, what's this? It's the same which we have done, star, correct. It's star. Okay, now next word. What's this on my butterfly? Farm. How will you pronounce? Farm. Farm. Now again, R, farm. It's a farm. Okay? All right. Now, what's my next word? Again, my yellow butterfly, which word is this? It's start. How will you pronounce? Start. Say with me. Start. Start. Right? So again, R sound is there. All right. Now what is this? Again, another yellow butterfly. Arm. Your arm. Say with me. Arm. Correct. Okay. Now, this is a big word. So, garden. Garden. Again, R sound is there. Garden. It's a big garden. You understand? Another word, warm. Say with me. Warm. Right? Warm. So how the sound is warm? R sound is there. So you can say they were all the AR words with their R sounds, right? How the sound is there, how the word is pronounced. You have learned this thing in the class today, right? Now comes your time to do the task. I want you to open page 82 of your Nelson English. You all have opened? Great. Now, it says that listen to the AR sound in bark. Okay, bark, how it is and how we have done the sounds of different words, right? Now what you have to do, you have to copy these sentences and fill the gaps with an AR from the word box. Now they have given the word boxes here in which they have given all the words, like you can see car, you can see car, tar, bark, dark, park, arm, farm, star, start, and garden. You have to fill in these words in the blanks first task, right? Now your second task is you have to write down more AR words, at least two more AR words over there. So in the first question you will do this, second question you will do this. You have to write these questions and their answers in your notebooks, right? So it is writing task. So I'm going to give you 15 minutes, 12 minutes to do this task, and your time starts now. All right, class time is up. Let's check out what you have done. Now, the first one is my aunt went to the park. Correct. My father works on a farm. Correct. My sister is afraid of the dark. Correct. My uncle has a new car. Very good. Now, which words you have written in the next one? Like warm, farm, okay. Garden, okay. Then what else you have written? Car, okay. And bark, okay. Wow, great. Great job, class. I'm very impressed with all of you. So that means that today's task, as it was about the sound of different words, AR and the AR words, is clear to you all. Now, if I'm going to ask you some questions related to AR words in the next class, will you be able to answer? Yes, that's great. Very good, class. So now what I want is, please, children, do your homework yourself. I'll be posting that on portal. It will be related to your workbook page of AR words, whatever activities, the two activities that we have done and the task that we have done in the class, the homework would be related to the same task. But if in case you find it difficult or you are unable to do it, you can leave that task and you can ask me in the next class. And another very important thing is, which I want to tell you, please children, keep revising whatever we are doing every day in the class. As you know, tomorrow is the last working day and we always have a class test. And that test will be of everything that we have done throughout this week. Okay, children? So please keep revising that and get ready for the test tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice day.